everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Belinda. Beauties, today I'm going to be talking to you about some gift sets from LA Colors. They are amazing gift sets that are right now at Dollar General. So I'm going to start by showing you some of the gift sets that are just really great and they're under $10. And I'm also going to be doing two gift baskets, and I'm just going to put them together just to give you some ideas as to how to present a nice little gift basket for this Christmas holidays. But before then we get started, I'm just going to ask if you can please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also if you'll click that bell icon, right there in the corner, so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. Okay, beauties, I want to start by showing you some of these amazing LA Color gift sets that are already pre-packaged and ready for you just to wrap them up and put them under your tree. So I'm going to start first of all with this really nice gift set, and this is a polish all the way, and it is only $10. This is an amazing gift set. It has everything for your nails. It has the dryer, it has also some nail polishes, it has some glitter, it has nail stickers, it has everything that you would need to create some really pretty nail art. I think this is a great little gift to give to maybe a teenager or just a young girl that's wanting to play around creating some nail art. This is a fabulous little gift set. I think this is really good. This gift set is a 40-piece nail polish, art design, and nail dryer. Okay, so the next item I want to talk to you about is this highlight, contour, and blush gift set. This is only $10. Can you believe that? Now this is a limited edition from LA Colors. It comes with 10 color face powders, and it also has a bonus angle brush. You can't go wrong with a $10 gift set like this. I absolutely love LA Colors. I have tons of polishes, lipsticks, little eyeshadow palettes. I use it all, and I think that for $10 for a gift set like this is a great deal. The next gift set that I want to talk to you about is this one here, and this is the Nude Eyes. This large palette comes with 25 color eyeshadows, and it also has a mirror. So this is a great eye palette that you can take anywhere with you. With these eye colors, you can go from subtle to natural to also intense and dramatic. This is just a perfect gift when you just don't know what to get and what colors to choose for someone. Sometimes you don't know their taste, but you can't go wrong with this nude eyeshadows. I mean, these are really pretty neutral colors. So for $5, this is a great gift set right here. The next one that I want to talk to you about is this Glam Eyes, and it has more of the burgundy and purple eyeshadows. This other large palette also comes with 25 eyeshadows, and it also comes with a mirror. Now with this eyeshadow palette, you can go from radiant and glowing to also bold and playful to smoky and glamorous. LA Color makeup is really good. I have so many things from LA Colors. I just think they're very inexpensive, but the punch that the eyeshadows give is amazing. This right here is a great gift. And now the last two items that I want to show you is this right here, and this is the Instaglam, and this is called the Socialite. This $5 gift set comes with 20-piece eye, lip, and nail kit. It pretty much has everything that you need to put on a full face. It has your eyeshadow palette, it has your eyeliner, it has mascara, it has your blush, it has lipstick, and it also has your nail polish. I'm currently wearing the eyeshadow, the lipstick, the polish, all from a gift set just like this, and I'm going to show you what I'm wearing right now. But I tried them on. I wanted to see how well they work together. What I love about this gift set is that it all coordinates together. It has your eyeshadow palette that goes with your lipstick and also your blush. So that is great. This is great for someone who doesn't really know how to maybe put, you know, to match your lipstick and your blush and your eyeshadow together. What LA Colors has done is put a set there for that person. So you can just grab that gift set and you already have everything there. I'm gonna show you the gift set that I'm wearing right now, and I really loved it. I love the lipstick, the eyeshadow, the blush. It all coordinated together. You can't go wrong with $5 and you have a full face. So this is an amazing deal also to give out as a gift. So the one that I'm wearing right now is this one called the Red Carpet. And this is the eyeshadow palette that it comes with. And if you're wondering the eyeshadows that I used on my eyes, I used this one here, this one here, this one here, and this one right here. Those are the ones that I'm wearing on my eyes. And here I'm just taking you up a little bit closer so that you can take a better look at the eyeshadows. Those are the colors that I have on my eyes right now. And I have to tell you that this little palette really packed a punch on the eye color. There was no fallout. So this is a great, great little eyeshadow palette. I loved it. It came with this lipstick right here. This is like a deep burgundy. It just looks really pretty, and like I said, it all just kind of coordinated together. So I really, really loved this gift set. And then this is the nail polish that it came with. I love the nude colors like this, these taupey nude colors. I absolutely love them. And then this is the blush that it came with. I loved it. I love that it had that pink color, but not too pink, just enough to give me that blushed look. So it's a really, really pretty blush. And I also use the mascara and also the eyeliner pencil. It also comes with a pencil sharpener and a blush brush. All of this that I just showed you came in this little box for $5. So you can basically have a full face for just $5. So this is a great gift set as well. I'm telling you that LA Colors is really putting these gift sets together so that you don't have to worry as to what do I pick, what do I put together. They've already done it for you. They've put these amazing gift sets for you. All you have to do is go to Dollar General and go pick up these gift sets so that you can give them as gifts, because they are great gifts. Now moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 gift baskets, and I'm gonna also use some more LA Color items, and I'm just gonna put them together just to give you ideas in how you can present a really pretty basket to give to one of your girlfriends, a coworker. Many times we don't know what gift to buy to someone that you don't really know their likes or dislikes. I think you can't go wrong by just creating your own gift basket and just adding some really pretty things that you think that are pretty, and then just wrapping them up and putting a pretty little bow and then just presenting it to them that way. I think that that really shows them that you cared for them enough to create a really nice basket for them. So that's what I'm gonna do next, is I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna create those 2 gift baskets. Okay, beauties, let's go ahead and get started with these 2 DIYs, all right? See you in a bit, bye. I'll be using some basket bags, some Christmas gift tissue, a pipe cleaner, some assorted ribbon, and a plastic container, and this was only $1 from Dollar General. I just want to show you really quick the items that I'm going to be putting in the gift baskets, and these range from $1 to $2, and it's just a variety of makeup items from LA Colors. Okay, so I'm gonna start by adding some tissue paper into the little basket. Next, I start adding all the items and I just start arranging them where I think that they look best. Once I'm done filling my basket, I go ahead and put it into the basket bag. Then after I cut off the excess of the bag from the top, I add the tie and then I add the ribbon. And this is how the first basket turned out. And for the second basket, these are the items that I used. I'm not going to go through each and every one of them. Once again, I'm just going to show them to you. And I basically followed the same steps. I filled the basket with some tissue paper and then I just wrapped it with the bag and then I put a bow up at the top. And this is how the second gift bag turned out. Okay, beauties, well that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day. And remember, love, laugh, and create. Until next time, bye-bye and God bless.